This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by mkidd. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is a great opportunity for investors, flippers, or homebuyers ready to bring their own vision to life. While it needs some repairs, the home offers solid potential to become a valuable addition to any rental portfolio or a charming primary residence. Located near shopping, dining, entertainment, hospitals, interstates, military bases, and just minutes from the beach. Selling as is condition seller to do no repairs. July 7, 2025. For more information, review the details below or contact mkidd at 757-377-2403.